Welcome, everyone. My name is Kyle Hershey. I'm the COO of the Mortgage Calculator, joined here by our president, Nick Hershey, and our sales manager, Jose Gonzalez. What we're going to do today is talk about how you can become a referral partner and refer loans to the Mortgage Calculator. Now, we have a program where you can refer business purpose loans, and we'll go through some of the types of loans here momentarily. And you can make a referral fee, whether you are licensed or not. We make the process very simple for you to sign up, which I will show you momentarily, and you'll get your own custom link where you can send your potential referrals to. So what we're going to do is have our president, Nick Hershey, here pull up a little presentation to talk about how it works. And then our sales manager, Jose, with 28 years of experience as a loan officer and a realtor, will talk about the different ways you can use this to go generate more business. So Nick, if you're ready, let's go ahead and get into some more details.
All right, thank you, sir. Let me share my screen and we'll get into the presentation part. All right, as Kyle mentioned, we are very passionate about working with investors and providing solutions for our partners to make a referral fee from referring their investors to us. So this works for mortgage brokers, realtors, real estate brokers, and all of the above. So let me go through a little bit of a presentation here to explain a little bit more about how it works and how you can take advantage. Switch to this slide. All right. So why would you want to partner with us? As Kyle mentioned, we can pay a referral fee on business purpose loans. That means loans that close in an LLC or an entity. We have over 100 banks and lenders that offer these products that are through our different platforms. So we always have the best rates for the non-QM programs, which are the best for our investors. We offer instant rate quotes online and applications. So when you sign up, you'll actually get a link. We'll show you how that works, where you can have your customers sign up and they instantly can have access to our rates. This works in 44 states, so pretty much national coverage. There are some states that are a little bit tricky, and there are some states that we cannot necessarily do those loans in, but 44 states covers almost the entire US. We also have our CRM system that keeps you in the loop, tags you on all the different quotes that go out, and keeps you updated with stats on the back end. So we want to make sure you know when you're referring business to us, we'll track it through the process. Now, what do we offer for our investors? DSCR loans, our favorite, my favorite. Those are debt service coverage ratio, no income, no employment. We also offer commercial loans, fix and flip renovation loans, or any other type of bridge loans. Ground up construction loans for investors to build spec homes. Mixed use property loans, so a lot of small commercial mixed use properties, very popular these days. Multifamily, so obviously the 1 to 4 units, typical DSCR loans. We also offer the standard DSCR loans on 5 to 8 units and even 5 to 10 units. And then over 10 units is a true commercial loan, and we have a ton of options for those as well. Also, something Jose loves here, portfolio loans, where these often are very unique solutions for our investors with many smaller value properties where we can put them all into one loan. So a lot of great solutions. Now let's talk a little bit more detail on the DSCR loans. These are our favorite. So these are our flagship product, our most popular loan by far. DSCR, debt service coverage ratio, is defined as the gross rents divided by the PITIA. That's the principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and association if applicable. So pretty much the payment. If the property cash flows, that's a positive DSCR ratio. The property doesn't quite cash flow on a monthly basis, that's a ratio under 1.00, which we even have options for ratios from 0.00 as we have on this presentation. So we always calculate a DSCR, but some loan programs don't actually require it. We also have short-term rental options where we can use the short-term rental rents as the top part of the calculation there for the gross rents. And that way we can get a much higher DSCR value on those programs. We have 30 and 40-year programs, so awesome options for our investors that want to have more cash flow. And same thing with our fixed or interest-only options. So again, investors that want more cash flow, 40-year plus interest-only, great combination to get more cash flow from our rental properties. And any of our investors can get instant rates on our website there and use the pricer. Once they're in the system, they're tagged as yours, so they can go pull their own rates once they're in there. who is eligible for DSCR and pretty much all of our other programs. US citizens, I-10, so maybe people that don't necessarily have status, different statuses of I-10, and even sometimes where they might not necessarily have a green card as an I-10, which is a pretty unique option. Foreign nationals, true foreign nationals, where they live and work outside of the US. First-time home buyers, first-time investors, all kinds of different options for our DSCR programs. We have hundreds of variations. That way we can satisfy all of our clients here. What are the eligible property types? I touched on a little bit earlier, but 1 to 4 unit residential, obviously bread and butter for all of us here, usually on the call. But we also have great options for 5 to 8 unit small commercial and even 5 to 10 unit on one of our programs. Then anything over that 9 to 100 units is pretty much a standard multifamily. We have a ton of options for those as well. And I mentioned before the 2 to 8 units, the small commercial mixed use, definitely very popular and picking up speed here as we offer that in the markets. Short-term rentals, very popular request. Condotels, the kind of the older version of short-term rentals, right? Condotels, manufactured home DSCR loans, absolutely amazing, and portfolio loans for 2+ properties, which Jose uses as a tool for some of his investors. Very common request. Now, what type of commercial loans can we do? Obviously, this is a whole separate category of property types. So office, retail, shopping centers, hotel, industrial, storage, gas stations, land, ground up construction, assisted living facilities, mobile home parks, RV parks, fix and flip, hard money options, tons of different options. Please get with our team. We want to have outlets for all of our different investors out there. Now, how does this work? You get a link. So if your broker has it and you're part of a team, or if you're signing up as yourself, you will get your own link. You'll be able to submit your deals instantly. And you can tag realtors on all your quotes if you want to partner with realtors or you are a realtor. Obviously, you can get tagged on all the quotes as well. You can reach out to your MLO anytime on those quotes to update yourself and your team. Obviously, if it's your client, on that process. And all of our business purpose loans are tracked in that portal I mentioned before. And once we close, invoices are paid out within 10 days through our bill.com system. So you can kind of track that through the process as well. So that's the basics of the program. Obviously, here I'll put up the disclaimer screen, which is part of the process here. So obviously we can't do this in all states, but let's go ahead and pass it over to Jose, who can actually talk about how to use this to our advantage. So Jose is our sales manager with 28 years of experience, not only as a loan officer and doing loans for investors, but as a realtor as well. So Jose has a unique outlook here where he can use these tools and not only put himself in the shoes of another mortgage broker or mortgage professional out there, but the real estate side as well, in order to turn an older deal or a non-deal into multiple new deals. So this is a great opportunity to not only satisfy your clients, but turn clients into repeat clients. So Jose, let's talk about how they can actually use this to their advantage. And I'll go ahead and make it nice and big once you start.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining us or good afternoon, actually, depending where you're at, for our referral webinar, right? So many ways to capitalize on this program that we have, especially if you are in the biz, right? For our real estate agents, our loan officers out there that don't have the product mix that we have, investors, right? Investors that are members in investment clubs, that have many associates that would love to follow in the example once they find that great program. Well, all of these are viable candidates to benefit from our business purpose referral loan program. Now, what is a business purpose loan? Is any loan not closing in the borrower's personal name, closing in an entity, not using the borrower's personal income, like our DSCR loans, fixed flip, and ground up construction loans, as well as true commercial loans. All of these are candidates for a business purpose referral. Right now, we mentioned the 75 basis points that you're going to get in compensation for that. That's 3/4 of a point, 0.75%. So that's a pretty good outlet, because just imagine you as the investor, right? Now you found our outlet, you found our great programs. Now you can turn all of your friends on to the mortgage calculator and all of the great DSCR programs or zero seasoning programs, great for when you're transitioning out of a flip loan into the end loan because the property came out so great that you want to keep it. Well, great, we'll help you out and we'll help out all of your investors, right? All you got to do is just sign up to be a referring partner with your LLC. Now, real estate agents really can benefit from this. Every real estate agent would love to be able to make some additional compensation from all the hard work that they are already doing. Well, just imagine going back to all of your closings that you've had, let's say in the past 1, 2, or 3 years, borrowers that may have purchased with cash, borrowers that may have purchased with hard money, which is only good for 1, 2, or maybe 3 years. Well, you can reach back out to them and provide to them solutions to increase their liquidity, right? Get that hard money loan, refinance it into a DSCR loan using only the gross rental income generated by the property. To qualify the borrowers, normally they had to finance with hard money to begin with, possibly because that was their situation, right? They're an investor that cannot provide tax returns due to their unique strategies for their tax returns, and the DSCR loan is perfect for those. So they don't have to wait till that hard money loan is about to expire. They don't have to wait till there's 12 months of seasoning. They can get it now, right? They just purchased that money, that property cash, and you want to recharge their money, right? Well, they can do that with our DSCR loans. You can, so again, all you realtors could go back into your database, reach out to all of those past customers, and help them get more money to invest in more properties, and at the same time earn some additional compensation yourselves. So we have the investors that can be reaching out, we have the realtors that can be reaching out, and we also have other MLOs that may be in another outlet, right, where they don't have as wide of a footprint as we have. Well, they can sign up for the business purpose loan referral program as well. They can refer us the deals that they can't do. Remember, business purpose deals only, and they can benefit from our program. So 3 different ways for 3 different groups to benefit from this. So as well as all of our MLOs out there that definitely can reach out themselves to everyone who they've done business with and have them sign up for the business purpose referral program and set up a nice steady stream of future business for yourselves. So as you can see, many ways to be creative and use this program to get additional income and build long-term business relationships.
All right, so let's talk about the next steps then. Let me share my screen here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and when you go to our website, themortgagecalculator.com, under contact, there's the refer a business purpose loan there. And when you come to this page, there'll be a replay of this video here in case you want to check it out. And then there's the button here to join as a partner. So this is how you join as a referral partner. So what's going to happen is you're then going to be sent your own custom referral link. And so let me pull it up over here. You will have a version of our quick quote page, which is a custom URL tracked to you. And so that anybody that you send here to get a quick quote, now notice they can say what this is for, they enter a couple pieces of information, they don't pull their credit, but then they're able to actually view some live quotes for their scenario. Now, what's going to happen is once your client submits here, it's going to send a text out to our licensed mortgage loan originators. We have over 300 loan officers. And the first one that is available to grab it right then will take it. So the first loan officer that can do that loan type is going to get the text message. They're going to click that link and they're going to be able to call your client right away. Now, you could also fill this out for your client if you want. If you don't want to send them the link, you can go to your own link and fill in the information for them. But either way, once your client is in there on your link, they are tracked to you. As Nick was saying earlier, once we close a deal, we will pay you out within 10 business days as a payment to your LLC. So you do need a LLC for us to send the payment to get a referral fee on these business purpose loans. And just to recap, again, 75 basis points, as Jose said, that's 0.75% of the loan amount is what we pay out as that referral fee. So go ahead and sign up. If you go to themortgagecalculator.com under contact, click refer a business purpose loan. We will go ahead and get you out your custom link so you can get going, referring some deals and making some extra income.